Okay, for problem one, what suggestions should the strength and conditioning professional make to improve her aerobic endurance performance? She's mainly doing like the lowest intensity she can, so she should try and incorporate some higher intensity workouts like pace tempo training and interval training over time. She should keep her LSD training normal or decrease it slightly to account for the additional volume she'd be doing, but add in some pace tempo training 1 to 2 times a week for a few weeks, and then add interval training for 1 to 2 times a week after that. For the second problem, what suggestions does the strength and conditioning professional make about this athlete's training program? He should have more variety in his program except just like the at pace stuff. So he should do fartlek training, like hill sprints and then going back to his normal base pace, but also incorporate some LSD training to work on his aerobic base, and HIIT training once per week to work on those hill sprints and prepare for lactic clearance.
For problem 3, what are the different ways presented in this chapter for determining this information? So first and foremost, heart rate training, RPE, and the time of season, which also the type of training. So for these high school athletes, the duration of training session is often going to be influenced by the exercise intensity. The longer the exercise duration, the lower the exercise intensity. Question 2, which one would be the most appropriate for the coach's situation? Time of season would be most appropriate for the situation. This will determine the rest of the training. So for off-season training would be more LSD-based aerobic training. Preseason would be increasing intensity and maintaining or reducing duration. In-season would be lower intensity and duration and more maintenance. And then post-season would be active rest.